Hi all, in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to make this structured detail showing on the screen that you can use to design your top or your dress. Here is the organza fabric that I'm making use of. I'm going to make use of this fishing line which is of 1.40 mm to get that spiral effect. To know the amount of fabric you are using for this structured detail, where you want to place it, where you want to use to design will determine how long and how wide you want it. Assuming you are using 40 inches long, make sure you cut that 40 inches exactly and add seam allowance to it. And as for the wideness, if you are using 10 inches for the wideness of your structured detail, make sure you double it, because at the end of the day it's going to reduce to that 10 inches exactly. I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to start by hemming the edge here. I'm going to double fold it, make it tiny in place. So I'm going to double fold it and stitch it. Now I'm done hemming this edge with tiny stitch. As you can see, what I'm going to do now is to fold about 1 inch inward like this. I'm going to fold 1 inch like this. Let me use pin to hold it. Now I'm done pinning down, as you can see. Can you see that? So I'll go ahead and stitch, top stitch from here to this place. I'll make it tiny, but I'll make sure it will contain this fishing line. Now I'm done with the first stitch, as you can see. So I'll go ahead to the second stitch. So I'm going to fold another 1 inch just like this. Give it a stitch, tiny stitch from here to this place. Now I'm done with the second stitch, as you can see. Can you see? So I'll go ahead and fold another 1 inch, stitch from here to here till I reach this. I'm going to repeat the same process till I reach this second edge. Now I'm done stitching, as you can see how small the wideness is now. So what I'm going to do now is to just finish up the edge here, double fold it and give it a tiny stitch from here till this place. So after that I'm going to close up one edge. I'm going to double fold and close it up on this edge. Now I'm done hemming the second side here, and I've hemmed one side here as well. So I'm going to pass my fishing line through this second side. So I'll start by inserting it one by one. So now I'm done with the first line. I'm going to cut it off. I'll use matches to spotting it. I'm going to cut it. So that is how I'm going to do till I finish with it. Now this is the last one of my fishing line that I'm fixing inside the casing. So here is the last one. It's a little bit tricky, but you have to be careful while doing that to avoid unnecessary stress. And now I'm done. I'll just cut. Can you see the effect of this fishing line? Look how spiral it is. Can you see? See how it's bouncing. So what I'm going to do with this edge now is to make sure I fix all the fishing line in very well. Cut the excess. As you can see, I'm cutting the excess. What I'm going to do now is to just use this small fabric to finish that edge up. I'm going to fold it into two like this. After folding into two like this, for you to understand, I'm going to place it like so. I'm going to leave like ½ inch up here before placing it like this, and I'm going to fold it in. So I'll go ahead and stitch from here till I reach this edge, and I'm going to fold it at this edge as well. So when I finish doing that, I'll come and show you what's next. I'll just, this edge, can you see? I'll just fold it like this. Make sure I push those fishing line in and fold it like this and stitch, top stitch on it. So when I finish doing that, I'll come and show you what's next. I'll just do it like this. Can you see it? I'll fold it like this and top stitch till I reach the second edge here. Now I'm done stitching. Can you see how neat it is? And this is the second edge of it. Can you see? So you can just go ahead and style it anyhow you want it. So look how spiral it look. I really love it. If you find my tutorial helpful, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Critics to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.